following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 463-888-9054. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Indiana. We're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, this is Matt with Learn About Law. In this video, we will talk about whether a landlord can evict someone in Indiana if there is no lease. So, there are two hurdles a landlord must clear to evict a tenant in Indiana. The landlord must have the legal right to end the tenancy, and they must follow the proper eviction procedures. Landlords need to prove a reason to evict tenants when their lease is in force. When there is no lease, or after a lease has ended, all the landlord needs to do is follow the proper notice procedure before filing an eviction action. So, what actually constitutes a lease? A lease is a legally enforceable contract that creates an agreement between the owner of the property, the landlord, and a tenant, giving the tenant a right to occupy the leased space. The lease details written rights and responsibilities for both the tenant and the landlord. In general, if both parties abide by their responsibilities under the agreement, the landlord cannot ask the tenant to leave until the end of the lease period. Usually, leases run for a specific period, such as a year. Near the end of the lease term, the landlord may ask for a new lease, or the parties may continue the arrangement on a month-to-month basis. Sometimes, the switch to a month-to-month tenancy at the end of the lease period is written into the initial lease. The length of the agreement and its current status determines whether a landlord can ask the tenant to leave the property. Can you rent a property without a lease? A lease creates a business relationship between a landlord and a tenant. It also clarifies each party's rights and responsibilities related to the property. If a tenant rents without a lease, they have to rely on Indiana statutes and common law, prior legal cases, to protect their rights as a tenant. What about the eviction process? An eviction is a legal process by which a landlord attempts to remove a tenant from the leased space. Landlords are allowed to evict tenants who break the rules under the lease. If the lease period has expired and has not been renewed, the landlord has the right to evict the tenant as long as they give proper legal notice. Indiana law requires landlords to give a 30-day notice before filing an eviction action, unless the lease states a different notice period or other circumstances apply as defined by Indiana law. For example, a tenant's use of the unit for criminal activity can reduce the landlord's required notice time. Property tenants have other rights and defenses to eviction under federal, Indiana, and local law. Tenants who believe a landlord has violated their legal rights in filing for eviction should speak with an attorney. Thanks for watching. To learn more, check out the article linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments, and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out to schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 463-888-9054. We have many locations for your convenience, and we serve all of Indiana. Thanks again for watching.